Money. Lots of money. Very expensive. Big bucks. More money. Bread.
I'm talking about the price of the frame. I think it's too much. So in this episode, we're gonna make our own custom picture frames. Yes! I did it. That one took so long to film. Yes! Hello, my name is St.Claire, and this is the world's most underground craft TV show. Welcome. There's still time. We haven't started yet. Take a seat. We are very glad you are here, even though we don't really know how you have found us. Very excited for this one, because we're making our own custom picture frames, and yes, I have got a plan. Here's what we're going to do. First up, I should show. It's caught in my cords. I found wood to make my own custom picture frames. Look, it's that wood. You can just buy this at like hardware stores and stuff. So we're gonna take the wood, as you see here, cut it up, and then we're going to stick it together so it looks like a frame. And then we're going to put some glass on it, put some wood on it. And then, after that, we're going to decorate. That is what the frames are going to look like. Fingers crossed. Also, one other thing. The thing we are going to be framing is a picture of me as a child. Yeah, how cute. Here it is right here. How does it look? Yes, I am framing a picture of me as a child. And also, because I'm married, I have to do a second one. So there's that. Okay, let's go. Shall we start? Yes, we shall. Okay. We're going to start. And we're done! That was, whoa! Before I show you what I have done, I would like to take back the 15 years of bad mouthing I have done to picture framers. I apologize to any framers. Turns out your work is really hard and is worth a lot of money. Turns out the angle of the saw blade matters. I don't know. But yeah, apologies to framers and framing shops. With that in mind, here are my two frames. They're kind of holding together at the moment. Stoked. I've got to let them I think they will fit, but they are... The pictures will fit, but they are rough. There's a lot of gaps, and I didn't know how to make this stay together at the front, so I've even stapled the front. This side is full of glue that I've got to let dry. But it doesn't matter. This one here we're going to cover in fabric, so all the gaps and ugliness doesn't matter. And this one we're going to cover in gems and rhinestones, so that doesn't matter. Perfect, chuffed. But while we're doing that, I need to show. Hello, yes, sorry for the interruption. The weather got really bad at the end of that last clip, as you could probably see, and the wind noise, you just couldn't hear me explain why we are making picture frames. And the reason we are making picture frames is to hang a picture of myself as a child. And why do we want to hang a picture of myself as a child? Is because I saw an Instagram reel of RuPaul. And it kind of was amazing. It's amazing. I'm actually going to play the clip right now. I hope that's okay, because I just feel like Ru does such a better job at explaining. Before I play this, I would like to say thank you to RuPaul. This is really sweet and I quite loved it. But also trigger warning. This is quite full on. So yeah, this video means a lot to me, so I thought I would just share it with you. Here we go. Let me set us up.
I put this picture on my phone. It's a picture of me. You can't see it. It's in the book, actually. It's a picture of me at 5 years old on here. And I did this to remind myself of whose sweet little heart I'm looking after. Aww. It's a reminder so that I can bring myself back to the scene of the emotional crime, so to speak. In fact, it's so important to bring yourself back to that place so that you can have a serious, trustful relationship with that kid. Because that kid is the one who's still operating the whole show. And you know, when I think of, and I remind myself, when I think of that kid, and I think about all the things I have put that kid through, all the people I've tried to pawn that kid off on, you know. And that kid actually resents me for all of those things, because I wanted to do whatever I could to not feel the emotions that that kid has, right? But I can do that today. And I can repair that relationship with that kid today, every day, actually. Well, thank you.
How good was that, eh? I loved it. That's just me. I loved it. Time for my favorite thing to do in every single episode. Start the music. We're gonna decorate. We're gonna sew, drill, screw, paint, glue, sequins, ruffle. stuff out of the way. How good. Look at that. I did it. Don't zoom in. I'll do glamour shots at the end. This one made a ribbon thing that's average, but how? Oh. Ow. If that does not look like a medal, I don't know what you were talking about. How good. A couple of things I've learned while making these. Skip the craft glue. Go straight to hot glue. The majority of these fell off and I had to re-glue them. The thing I learned about this one is I can make my own frame. Also, I do want to say this. I think these look amazing. Like amazing. I've got my plan. I had no idea that these were going to turn out this well. I just started, hoped, and used a bit of common sense, really. So, if I can do it, you can. Now, all we have to do is make the back wood bit. This glass was actually, it wasn't hard or scary to do at all. I emailed a bunch of places and they just said, come into the framing shop. And do you know what? Both of these, $10 together. I don't know if you can see them. $10, how good? Okay. Final montage, putting it together for the last time, hanging it, and glamour shots. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, there it got. Sharp glass got very close to my face. Come on. 3, 2. Thank you for watching. My name is St.Claire and this has been the world's most underground craft channel. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. I enjoyed making this one, you know. To be honest, I do enjoy making all of them. Chuffed. Chuffed. Thank you very much. Links. I will see you for the next episode.